Hi everybody, back again. We have our newsprint slide that we just made. And that little smudge of paper is right there in the middle of our glass slide. We're going to take that and place that on the stage. Some microscopes have an adjustment for the amount of light that they let through. And you may not be able to see this, but if you look where the slide is, you'll see some light coming through the slide. You can use that as an estimate for adjusting the specimen and getting it lined up so most of it's in the light, which means most of it's going to go through the objective lens. Again, we bring our slide tray all the way up and we focus down from there. In our next little piece, I'm going to try to hold the webcam carefully and look through the objective lens to see the sample of our newsprint that we just made.